What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys aren't subscribed to the channel already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today I'm out here in San Antonio, Texas, and I'm going to be bringing on to the YouTube one of my customers, Eric, and he's going to give you guys a rundown of a theater that he is currently in the process of building out. And you know that our vision here at Dreamedia is to put a home theater into every single house in America. We have all the industry-leading manufacturers to choose from, and we ship throughout the entire nation. And make sure to ask about our preferred installer network as well, because we're getting all the local pros on our team to build these systems up in your new dream home theater. All right, guys, let's get into it after the intro. Hey, Eric.
Hey, how you doing, Zach?
Good. Yeah, so I already gave him an introduction saying that you're looking to have your theater, this space right here, built out. And I know you've been working with Kellen.
Yep.
You want to kind of walk them through where you're at so far?
Sure, absolutely. So, welcome to the theater, as I stated before. So around you, you'll see all the pieces to the puzzle. Right? This is my little theater room. It's about we'd say about 14 by 17. I recently retired, as I stated. I had retired from the Air Force here last year, and this has been a dream of mine to have a theater room, and well, I guess it's slowly coming to fruition. I think right now, as you can see right here, some of the components that I did get, that Dreamedia was so awesome and helped me to get. Right there, you'll see the Epson 6050. On the left, you'll see the Denon 4700. For the speakers, right now I went with the RP404C from Klipsch, and then out in the entrance as you were coming in, you'll see that I did the 8000 series Klipsch as well.
Yeah, the 8000.
And last but not least, the most important component down there is the screen for Screen Innovations, and yep, down there at the bottom. So when we're ready, we'll bring it out here. One thing, the biggest thing that a takeaway on this is, again, as I've stated initially, this is a dream. This is something that, you know, sometimes you go in different places and it's like, man, I'll never have something like this. But I want to thank you all, Zach, seriously, this is from my heart, that just watching your videos, for one. I love the fact that you all take the stuff that you're doing out there, the videos, sharing it with people and not holding back. Some of that helped me here as I set up for a theater. So that is awesome. The second thing is that, speaking to your representatives, you know, to your sales reps, I love the fact that they didn't hesitate, whether I purchased it for the equipment from you all or they just pointed me in the right direction and I found it somewhere else. They were there to help me and walk me all the way, and they have been there. I think I mentioned the fact that I can text them, I can email them, and they quickly respond. So it's like I'm dealing with a friend, and you know, back and forth, just guiding me through the whole way. So that is on point. And then the other thing is just the customer service. I mean, on point, respectful, just everything. I just feel that I have a friend right there with Dreamedia. And then lastly, the shipping. When the parts that I ordered, obviously the screen, there's so many things that we're buying nowadays with COVID and everything that take forever, but they were there. Your guys there for the shipping were on point. They walked me through the whole way. Everything was shipped here in good condition, no problems at all, and seamless. So I've loved it.
Oh my gosh, it warms my heart to hear these things. Like literally, I was telling him earlier, can I get this on camera? Because a lot of times I walk into people's homes, but like they're scared to get on the camera, and it's just warms my heart to hear these things. It's the reason that we do it, guys. I mean, we love this stuff. It's our dream, yeah, literally, to do this for work.
No, absolutely. And again, I speak from the heart, because to me, customer service, no matter where, if everybody that knows me, that has seen me, and knows who I am, really always knows that I expect a lot, you know, because if I was in customer service and I have been before, I would do it, but oh my God, you all knock it out of the park. And I'm looking forward to continuing until this thing becomes that dream that,
Well, it's on its way. So yeah, I'm going to walk you guys through in just a second and let you know where we're at and where we're going with this build. And our preferred installer here in San Antonio, Billy, is actually going to be coming out here and getting the process started here shortly. So like he said, I have devoted my whole life to this company and really pride myself on delivering that 5-star experience to you guys. We're going to continue to do that for years to come as we grow. You know that we're bringing on a bunch of new territories all around the country, but we're not going to sacrifice on quality. We got the industry-leading manufacturers to choose from at all different price points, very entry level, all the way to very high end, and then we got the 5-star pros to back it up. So let me walk you through this space and tell you what the vision is here. So at the front of the room, what we're going to do is the 8000 Fs to the front left and right, and the RP404C in the center. And then he's going to be using the zero edge 120 inch pure gray, which is a 4K and 8K ready screen, so it's future proof. And that's going to go on the wall right here. And at the rear of the room, you can see the outlet's already installed. He's going to be doing the Epson 6050, that unit over there. And that's just a great, affordable, bang for your buck unit. You just can't beat it. It's 4K E-Shift, so not native 4K, but man, it is a performer. It's super bright with Epson's 3LCD technology. It produces a very vibrant image, and it's bright. So it just looks amazing for the money. And it's that 2600 lumens is nothing to play around with. It also comes with a spare lamp, so you don't have to worry about maintenance in the future. And in addition to that, it comes with a mount. It has the Chief mount, which is a solid manufacturer. It's not like they're just throwing junk in there. It's all quality name brand stuff. So that's the projection system. And I said at the front of the room, we got our LCRs as the 8000 Fs and the 404C. At the rear of the room, we're going to do in wall, I think, right? Yep. So he's going to do the Pro 18 RWs for the surround left and right. And then overhead, ATMOS, he hasn't decided exactly the precise arrangement of the seating because he's contemplating doing a riser right here, which he's going to talk to Billy about, or doing a bar back here. A lot of different options to choose, and then depending on where the seating is, we're going to put the ATMOS in front and behind, so top mids and top rears for his primary seating area to give him the ATMOS effect so that he hears the helicopter above and the rain coming down, and then at ear level you hear like a door slam or gunshots or a car screeching around a corner, stuff like that. Now, powering it up is this 4700, like he stated earlier. The 4700 is a really solid unit that has a good upgrade path. It's a 9.2, but actually expandable to an 11.2 if he wanted to do that in the future. So we were talking about either going with the SPL 120s or the 150. You haven't really decided yet.
Not really. I do like the idea of the two 120s. But
yeah, we were contemplating one sub or two subs, and I personally recommend going with two subs if you're not going to upgrade in the future. If you know like that's your end all, just go with the two subs for better dispersion. But if you think you may add on to the system in the future, then always go with the higher end sub because it's going to hit at a lower frequency response, which you're going to feel more. So better quality, deeper, tighter, harder hitting bass is always better. But that's kind of the walkthrough on this room, and you guys are gonna have to stay tuned because we will be back to show it when it is completed.
Yeah, Sonos.
All right, guys, that is a wrap. Big thanks to my customer Eric for showing us support. You know, I just love hearing the kind words. If you guys would like to purchase anything home theater related, make sure to reach out and show your support. We'd love the opportunity to earn your business. And like Eric said, we're just here to help guys, like a friend. He was even saying I needed to point out down here, we do distributed audio as well as security cameras, automation, all that type of stuff. So make sure to ask about that. Down there we have the Sonos Arc, which you guys know I've promoted that quite a bit. And then we have the Sonos Sub, and he has Sonos Ones back there as well. So full, I know the ceilings are high, but technically it is a 5.1.2. And he said it was a huge improvement.
Ooh, man, what a difference, honestly. What a difference.
It fills the space really nicely, and it's great to have the Sonos interface integrated in for just ease of use, and you can expand on it in the future. He can even, like at the last house I was at here in San Antonio, the guy had a Sonos port plugged into his AVR in the theater, so that if he's entertaining, he could like grab the audio that's on the game, like say you're watching a football game in the theater room, you can grab that audio and then broadcast it through the whole house so that it's the same exact audio everywhere, even in rooms that don't have TVs.
Wow.
Pretty cool.
You gave me another idea.
Yeah, we're full of ideas here at Dreamedia. That's the whole point, guys. If you do have a vision, if you want something, you just tell us and we'll get creative. We'll find the SKUs, the products that you need, and recommend them to you, line them all out, and find a package that fits your exact needs and budget. Well, that's all I got for you. If you liked the video, give me a big thumbs up and smash the subscribe button down below. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.